How are you all? Welcome back in our YouTube channel Entrepreneurship and Business. Guys, in this video I gonna tell you best 10 profitable vending machine business ideas for 2023. If you interested for business, then watch this video till the end. If you new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this and like, share the also subscribe. So let's get started the video. I have first vending machine business idea is and fresh business idea you can see Baganti's vending machine. So let's know more details about this idea. Selling fresh bagantis by vending machines is a lucrative business idea for you. Many advanced vending machines prepare excellent baganti very promptly, collect relevant information about the machine and their specifications before going for this vending machine. Business idea: these machines can be placed in malls, college, offices, highways, etc. So guys, if you're interested and if you know about this idea, so I hope you go through with it. So our second business idea is band t-shirts. So how about selling tool t-shirts through your vending machines? Is it a great vending machine business idea for you? T-shirts an all-time favorite as casuals for people of the all genders age groups. Sell t-shirts of different size and varieties at moderate prices to get more customers. So this is very nice idea. So guys, if you interested, then you can start a business. I have third business idea is flip-flops vendings. Selling flip-flops is a profitable vending machine business idea. Flip-flops are necessary item and you can get a good profit from your flip-flop vending machine. Is it a hit at any place including market, malls, outside colleges, etc. Let's move our next business idea. So fourth business idea is worth control item vending. Worth control items like condoms, pills, electronics can be a good items to sell through vending machines. These items being initial item have a good demand around the clock and hence a very profitable vending machine business idea for you. Sell these items from renowned brand to get a more customers. I hope you understand what I am saying. So let's move our next business idea. I have fifth business idea is flip-flop vending. So I think I have told you about selling flip-flop vending business idea. So you can start this idea and make money. Our sixth business idea is lingerie vending machine. Lingerie vending machine is a gradually gaining popularity as a vending machine business idea. Many people prefer to why they are initiate wear to this way. You can start this business with a tie-up with a known brand. These machines can be placed in crowd places like market, residential complex, shopping, academies, etc. Let's move our next business idea. I have our seventh business idea is mobile accessories, charger, headphones. So guys, we often forget our mobile accessories and need items instantly on go. That's why mobile accessories are a good vending machine business idea. You can sell chargers, power banks, headphones, Bluetooth, mobile covers, etc. by your vending machines. It is very profitable for you to place the machines outside office, colleges, etc. So you can start this business and you can make money. Our eighth business idea is battery. Battery is the most popular business idea. A lot of things are battery operated in our households in the present day. Still, we often forget to buy item them start your vending machine business by selling batteries. Keep provisions for different kinds of batteries, and gradually you will have a steady client base. Schools, colleges, offices, and highways are suitable locations for this business. So if you're interested, then you can make money. Our ninth business idea is bend healthcare items. Healthcare items like medicines, first aid item, and others may be required at a time of the day. Start your healthcare items vending machines and keep it open 24/7 to get maximum sales. Selling these initial items is a very profitable vending machine business idea. You can place it at different places that may including roadsides, highways, colleges, offices, etc. If you're interested brand health business ideas, then you can start this idea. Our 10th business idea is gold bars. Gold ATM is a new concept in area of vending machine businesses. Many people are now buying gold bars of different sizes through these vending machines. It has just started its journey, and you can be a pioneer in this new concept in your area. So guys, I hope you understand about these business ideas, vending machine business ideas. So you can start one business and you can make money from this idea. So guys, if you're interested, then you can start. If you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe the channel. Also share and like the video, and see you in the next video. If you have any kind of doubt related to these points and these business ideas, please tell in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.